So this is the Taiz Rice Dispenser, which I have in front of me right now. Each dispense does 150 grams ring seal on the outside of it, which can close pretty tightly and looks smooth. Around that big, and it comes with this. Okay, so this is the moisture stick that it comes with. Helps keep down the moisture inside the rice container. And these are the instructions that came with it. If you guys want to pause it and look at it, instructions are wrapped around here, so make sure to not throw it away. So you can just stick this inside. The lid is pretty easy to open. You just lift it. Then you can put the stick inside. There should be a place inside where you can put the stick in, but you can just leave it in there. And so this is how it works, kind of. As you can see, when I pull it out, there's nothing in here. And you push down. You hear all the rice drop, and you lift it back up. And you get 1 cup. This isn't 1 cup of American, but it's 150 grams, which is around 3/4 of a cup, which is the same measurement in cup as most Asian rice cookers at home. And if you want to do another one, you can just push it down again, wait for the rice to drop, lift it back up, and there you have another cup. All right, I'm gonna pour this back in. Simple as that. And the sender will drop as you refill each time because the rice drops. Alright, simple as that. It's pretty cool. There's also a measuring window right here. It says 2, 4, 6, 8. This is measured by kg, as you can see. So you can see when your rice is running out and when you need to refill it. Another cool thing is that there's wheels at the bottom right there. Oh, there's wheels at the bottom right there. So you can lift it up and it'll roll back. So if you want to roll it into place, lift it up, roll it, and then set it down. And then there's pads that keep it from moving. But if you need to, lift it and you can roll it again. Alright, so quick review. All you need to do, push down, lift up, pull out, and you have your 1 cup. Thanks for watching. If you want to get one, I put the link in the description so you guys can go check it out.